In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. This is a great tool for making sure the dates entered into your sheets are correctly formatted and valid. So let's dive right in. First, open up Google Sheets and either access an existing sheet or create a new one. Once you're in, choose the cell where you want to set up the date validation. Simply click on the cell to select it. Next, head over to the top of your screen and find the menu option labeled Data. Click on it to open a drop-down list, and from there, choose Data Validation. When the Data Validation pane opens on the right-hand side, click on Add Rule. You'll see a pop-up box appear where you can set your criteria. Click on the drop-down menu next to Criteria and select Is Valid Date, which ensures that only valid date entries are accepted in the selected cell. After making this selection, you might want to add a little guidance for users. Check the option Show Help Text for a selected cell to provide users with a hint or instruction on entering the date correctly. Next up, decide what happens when someone enters something other than a valid date. In the data validation options, click on Reject the input. This will ensure that incorrect entries are not accepted. With everything set up, click on Done to apply your settings. Now that your date picker is set, try entering a valid date into the cell. Simply type the date and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. The sheet should accept it without any issues. To test further, you might want to apply the validation to another cell. Click on a different cell, right-click on it, and from the context menu, choose View More Cell Actions. Again, select Data Validation, click on Add Rule, adjust the criteria to Is Valid Date, show help text if needed, and set it to Reject the Input. Click Done once more. Go ahead and type a date into this new cell. If it's valid, it'll be accepted when you press Enter. As an additional test, try entering an invalid date and hit Enter. A validation message should pop up letting you know the input isn't correct. This feedback is crucial in guiding users on the correct format required. Finally, click OK to dismiss the message. And that's it. You've successfully set up a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. This simple yet effective feature not only helps maintain data integrity, but also improves user experience by guiding data entry processes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.